how to connect Cash App to Huntington Bank. So click on your profile icon in the top right corner. Now from here we have to go to the linked banks section. Click on it. You should see the option to link a debit card. So you want to select this. However, now we have to select no card. And instead it will give us some different banking options. So you can link your bank account. You want to select continue. So this video is for Huntington Bank. So you want to select Huntington Bank right here. You should see it near the end of the list. And right here, basically, it will ask you to log in. So if you log in with your credentials, your account, your Huntington Bank account will be authenticated with your Cash App account through Plate. So after you have logged in right here, it will automatically authorize your accounts and link them together. So that's how it works. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and sub. I'll see you next time.